Hey everybody, we got quite a bit going on today, and we're putting a lift on Andreas' rig. Hey bud.
What's up?
And this is a 04 Jeep Liberty, putting a 2.5-inch Daystar lift on it.
Right.
But starting off, he's pulled the battery, and I pulled the air box. It's easy to come out. You just have to pop it out. Of course, there's a lot of videos. It came right out of there. You just pop it right out to get to the upper bolts of the struts. So yeah, we've got quite a bit going on. So we're doing this, and then Tane is out here, and they're pulling an engine. Hey guys, say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
So he's pulling out a V8, and he's going to put it in his Ranger right over there. So that should be pretty exciting.
This front.
So we got two things going on right now.
Yeah, the front tire is on. Yeah, but I think it's coming off, right?
I don't think so, dude.
So what kind of snag did we run into here? Just the fan? Is that why it's not coming off?
Not having a specialty tool, so I'm trying to bush league it right now.
So this, it should be, instead of righty tighty, it's righty.
You're trying to get
loosey,
that whole thing off, right?
I believe.
Probably is.
It is.
It's backwards. Yeah.
Yep, I think it's reverse thread, so we're gonna have to try to get it on.
So they got a little ways, but then his snag, so the fan is in the way to pull that engine. They got about halfway out, didn't you?
Almost out.
It's almost getting hit. It's getting close. All right. It's a little dark. Now on this project in here, we're starting on the front now. We got the rear done. You can probably, if I can show it to you, there's the spacer right there.
Not want to break the caliber.
Got it done. Back on the ground. Looks like it's going to have lots of space here. We got that done, but now we got to work on this. We got to pop this knuckle off, and we got to loosen this bolt here so we can get at the strut. Drop this all down. He's got the sway bar knuckle or bolt nut off.
Torch.
So that's what we're doing.
Shoot.
Can't get
What
that.
about a light hit with the BFH?
Well,
Have you tried that yet?
Uh,
So you want these out first, right?
to be able
Oh,
to press
that
it, is what I
won't-
was thinking.
That won't come out
Oh,
until
no, it
this
won't.
is compressed.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh.
Yeah, they're in there halfway.
And it's not wide enough for that spring compressor to get in there?
No,
yeah, it's just for springs, not.
not a strut.
Right.
And you've done it with ratchet
What
truss
about
before to tighten them up.
Just to hold it in place.
Oh, yeah,
Not,
but not to compress it.
Not to
though.
compress.
Yeah.
We have enough travel.
Yeah, to get it back. To get
Yeah.
I don't think it expands that much, but
I don't think so either.
the way we're putting it back together, I hope we got enough. That is a good question. If not, I guess we.
So we figure it out.
So you
from
got
there.
that off, right? Sweet. Okay, should have a rubber deal. Oop, and a nut.
There's
Yeah.
a nut. This
And
rubber
yeah,
thing
and
comes
this,
off?
this, yeah, I think maybe not. That might be on the inside.
Okay.
Okay, now it should come apart. So now let off the tension.
Slow.
Yeah, nice and easy. I don't know how much pressure is underneath.
I don't either.
Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, see, it's under quite a bit of tension.
Well,
Are we gonna have enough? I'm hoping. Oh no. Serious? That's it? Almost.
That's it.
Shoot, that's a lot of spring, isn't it? But you know what? We can get those spring deals in there now. How much tension you got? Now you can get those spring deals in, but Is it still up? That's not that bad, right? Just pop it out.
Don't just pop it out, please. I mean, I said a prayer before we started, but
Yeah, we've let off the majority of the tension though. Where's your, yeah. Here, Tank, can we?
Get a pry bar.
Pry bar? I don't know how do you do that? Is there much on there?
Yeah, I mean, it's got some on there.
Does it?
Hmm.
Yeah, that's a lot of travel.
Yeah, it is.
We might have to drop it down one more
Yeah.
so we can get it
But,
out.
I mean, this doesn't have very much travel.
No, that's true, yeah.
So, but we gotta get it out now.
Yeah,
Now we're
yeah.
committed.
There's just no, you can't just pry it out, let it go
Wood out.
boing.
It'll just fall over.
Don't do this at home. I think it's just gonna
Alright.
go boing. What do you think?
I think you should probably turn that off.
This could be good though. All right, and that's how you take a spring off. That worked good.
that compressor.
How do we do this?
There you go. That's it. Did we? Oh, we're gonna press this first before we dropped it down, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you need?
A smaller plate than a block of wood.
Oh, that's a good idea. Do a small plate, then it'll go travel will be farther, right? There you go. It's plenty right there. Oh, where's the? Okay, it's right by the loader. Are we good? Now we can take the nut off.
Moving?
Yeah, it moved. I think are you down far enough, probably?
Yeah, where's that?
It's right there. It's all ready. It's ready to go. Yeah, it's,
Moving. I mean, it's pretty buggered up. Let's put some penetrating oil on it. And
Okay.
we can torch it.
all right, let's see if this will let it off enough. Bingo. Awesome. That's all I needed. So you just use a smaller plate instead of the other one. That is how you take the spring out. Good job. All right, it's tough to get those struts on this thing. So Tane took his grinder and cut. Can you see that? Let me give you a little more light. He cut right into here, cut this off so you can get your strut in there, and you'll see when we put it back together. So it is a little difficult to put it on this Liberty. So let me just get a little more light. So this is what it looks like all put back together. And if you put this fork on, or get it all in there loose, and then put this on, well, it's under here. It's a lot easier to do. Now we just have to put the sway bar nut back on and the tire, and we're good. Good job, Tane.